Welcome. If you want to manage app permissions in your Google Pixel 4a, at first you have to go for the settings. Next, let's find apps and notifications. And right now we can go for the advanced when you are able to pick up permission manager. So go here and choose thing that you want to change. I will go for the location. And here we got the 3 types. So we get apps that are allow all the time, only when we are using, and other are denied. So if you want to grant permission for any of them, you have to click and then just pick one of the following option. And after that, they pops in one of them. So that's how we can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.